How to enable secure boot on a Lenovo laptop. So if you want to enable secure boot, then what you need to do is first you just need simply go with your search and search for system information, and here you need to search for BIOS mode. BIOS mode needs to be on UEFI, and your secure boot where either say on or off. Mine is turned off, and if yours say off too, then you need to close down from your system information, and then you need to go with your Windows, and here you need to click on restart. Now keep clicking on the F2 button until you enter the BIOS. So once you're on your BIOS section, you just need simply go with more settings, which will be in the bottom right. After that, you'll get this kind of interface. You just need simply go with the security section, which will be on the left side. Click on security, and under security you need to scroll down a bit, and if you scroll down, then as you can see that you will have secure boot, and on the right side it says disabled, and under secure boot status it says disabled, right? So if you want to go and enable it, then you just need simply go with the drop down right here and then go and select enable and restart your PC. But even after restarting, it will again say secure boot status is disabled. Now to reset this, you have to go under your restore factory key. So you need to click on restore factory keys, which will be on the bottom, and then go with the right side, go with the drop down right here, click on this and then click on yes, and make sure that this is enabled. Now on the bottom, as you can see that it says save and exit, you need to just simply click on it, press F10. As soon as you click on this yes button, start pressing F2 again to get into BIOS, and once you do that, it will take you to this kind of interface again. You need to go with more settings and go with the same interface as security, and then scroll down a bit, and you will find the enabled option right here. And now under secure boot status, it will also say enable. So that's how you can enable your secure boot, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.